Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use PIXVERSE AI image to video. So first of all, over here in the home page, you need to come to create because that's where you're gonna see all your videos. And here at the bottom, make sure you click image or text. Then at the square over here, we're gonna add the image. I have two images. I have this one and I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna make a video out of them. So let's click on the square. Then let's add this guy who hides behind the computer. Then we need to write a description, okay? Describe the content you want to create. So let's say let's make him hide behind the computer and disappears from the picture. Make the guy who's behind the computer gently disappear. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Make sure you select the duration of the video, which is 8 or 5 seconds. We're gonna leave it at 5. V4, which is the newest model. If you wanna add some audio or speech, you can do that. It's all up to you. And let's create. And let's see what it's gonna give us. Okay, so now we're gonna check the video. As you can see, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Okay, so the first picture didn't do what I wanted it to do. So let's just remove this one. Let's add the second picture. And in this picture, we got an image with coffee over here and steam rises from it. So what we're gonna say for the image? Cup of coffee on the table and gentle steam rises from it. Let's see what it's gonna give us now. Okay, it finished to generate the video. Let's click on that. As you can see, it did a good job with the steam. But I don't know why the image is moving. As you can see, it's moving to the right. So here's the takeaway. If you use simple images, then it's good to use the videos. But if it's complicated like this one, as you can see, it cannot understand what you want to do. In this image, as you can see, even though the camera is moving, the steam is good. But if we go to my oldest videos, which all I wanted to do is rain on the window, you can see kind of good job. Like this one is moving, I don't know why. It's not supposed to move. Like this one is good, as you can see. It's not moving, just the rain, the things moving in behind the image. Each one of them is the same. As you can see, this one is moving for some reason. I have no idea why. I hope this video helps you to understand how to use image to video and the quality of it. Thank you.